Okay, mga ka-Thunders, nandito kami ngayon sa Sydney. Itong lugar na to is yung Darling Harbour. Ito yung Harbour Bridge. Yan yung city center. Yan, merong cruise ship. Okay, yan, kumakain sila sa baba ngayon. Sa likod ko, yan yung Opera House. Yan, famous Opera House. Yan, kita nyo dito may police, oh. May mga water police. So yung mga water police niyan, chine-check niya rin. Parang nandun rin sa kalsada yan, chine-check nila yung mga boat na nandito. Nag-alcohol test din sila, speed, chine-check din nila yan. Yan. Time check, it's 3:30 Australian Eastern Time. So sa Philippines is 3 hours ahead sila. The temperature it's 23 degrees. Nice fine weather. Yan. Not too hot, not too cold. Yan. So yan, pwede ka rin mag-rent yan sa boat para yan, mag-ikot kayo dyan, no? Mag-sightseeing. Yung kabila na yun yung Luna Park. Yan, tomorrow pupunta kami dyan. Medyo small park lang siya, small theme park. Yan, matagal na yan, old siya, old. Si King Charles parating ngayon dito. Yan, kung makikita nyo may mga reporter nasa taas yan. Yan yung mga spectators sa taas, oh, naghihintay. Papasyal kasi si King Charles later today. Yun na siguro, yun, oh, may placard na dala, oh. Ayun. I mean King Philip pala, hindi si King Charles, King Philip. Yan. Yung anak siya ni Queen Elizabeth. The late Queen Elizabeth. Yan. Yan yung Harbour Bridge. Yan, pwede ka rin makita nyo, nagka-climb sila, oh. Pwede ka mag-climb, babayad ka ng entrance doon, oh. Yan, ka-climb mo yan. Pag ganun, papanik ka rito, bababa ka rin sa kabilang side na yun. Ito pala yung grandson ko, si Connor. Connor, you wanna say something? Huh? Okay. You wanna say something? You wanna say hello to your subscriber? Nice seeing you back, Connor. Nice seeing you back. Oh, yan, oh. Yan yung reporter, oh. Actually, kilala ko tong na to, eh. Itong nagko-coverage na to, nakakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan, eh. Sa to, eh. Sa 7 News. Yan, 7 News, oh. Yan, may hawak siyang microphone, oh. Yan. Yan, yun yung niya, camera, oh. Ang daming seagull. Yan. So nandadagit sila ng mga leftover food. Yan, mga seagull yan. Yun yung mga police, oh. May mga police, ayun. Mga security. Yan, police yun, oh. Yan. So maraming spectator na naghihintay kay King Philip today. Tsaka kay Queen Camilla. Camilla or Camila? Camilla, I think Camilla.
Everywhere. Not for the king. For the king. And here. And a huge day for Australia. Oh, sorry. Very royal.
Yan, sa baba naman maraming restaurant. Yan, pipili ka lang yan kung saan mo gusto. Medyo strict sila kasi pag diyan ka kumain, dapat mag-order ka. Yung mga table, may mga QR codes na yun. Wow, look at that. Ano yan, naka-jet ski. Oh. Yung police nagmamadali, may huhulihin siguro. May huhulihin yun. Ayun, naka-jet ski, may huhulihin siguro. Yan yung mga water police. Yan. Hello, Charlie, you wanna say hello to our subscriber?
Yeah.
Say hello. Where are we today?
Upper house.
Where,
Upper house.
where are we?
Upper house.
Opera House. Where is it?
I don't know.
We're in Sydney. Remember?
Yeah.
We're in Sydney. Okay. Ayun naman, oh. Nagko-coverage din, yun, oh. Ah, that one is ano. Yan yung mga pulis yan. Yan yung pulis. So, yes. That's a police chopper.
Why?
Oh,
Why
yep.
is so many birds?
Because King Charles is here.
What?
The King Charles. Look at the newscaster. That's a newscaster. They're coveraging ano, King Charles' arrival.
Where's the king? Ooh.
He'll be here soon.
I want to see the king.
Yeah.
I want to go
We can't see them. We can't see him because he's going to walk at the top there above us. So we
I want to go and see him.
maybe we can go that way, and we go that way. We'll wait there. Okay. Okay. See you later, mga katanders.